Hello everyone and welcome to the robotics guy. This is Ishan and I will be explaining whole session to you. So let's get started. Require a few components: a DC motor, a L293D IC, a 9-volt battery, a switch, a 9-volt battery snapper, a fan, a breadboard. So let's take a closer look at the circuit diagram. We are going to connect pin number 1 and 16, 1 to 8, 8 to 9. This is the first half. Second half, the first half goes for the positive one, which goes to like the positive polarity of the battery. Now second half is pin number 4 to 5, 13 to 12 and 4 to 13. I repeat, 4 to 5, 13 to 12 and 4 to 13. This is the negative half and goes to negative polarity of the 9-volt battery. Let's go ahead and talk about pins 2, 7, 15 and 10. So pin number 2 and 7 are our inputs, in which we will provide them with inputs connected to switches. So pin number 15 and 10 are the inputs for the right side motor. Pin number 2 and 7 are the inputs for the left side motor. Moving further, let's talk about pin number 3 and 6, 14 and 11. 3 and 6 are the outputs for the left side motor present on the left side of the IC. Pin number 14 and 11 are the outputs for the right side motor present on the right side of the IC. So let's make it easy and do it stepwise. First place the IC in the breadboard, then connect pin number 1 to pin number 16. After that connect pin number 1 to pin number 8 and then connect pin number 8 to pin number 9. This will make the positive root of our IC and it goes directly to the positive terminal of the 9-volt battery. Now in second half we connect pin number 4 to 5, 13 to 12, 4 to 13. This will mark the negative root of the IC and goes directly to the negative terminal of the battery, which is 9 volt.
It's getting closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you. Drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it. The bittersweetness of taking a shot. A risk worth taking. If it's a shot of love. I'm breathing. My heart is skipping a beat. Your lips against the red cup makes me lose my mind completely. Ooh, I can taste it. The bittersweetness of taking a shot. A risk worth taking it. It's a shot of love, baby. Maybe I adore you, yeah.
Over here, I'm connecting pin number 3 and pin number 6 of IC to motor to control the motor accordingly. Now, we need to add a switch between pin number 2 of the IC and positive terminal of the 9V battery. Moving further, we need to add another switch between pin number 7 of the IC and positive terminal of the 9V battery.
It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just read it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just read it and delete it before we cross the line.
Now, connect the battery snapper to the 9V battery. The black wire is the negative one, the red wire is the positive one. Connect them accordingly on the breadboard. As soon as I trigger the first input, the motor rotates on the left side.
Tell me what choice I have now. I just wanna get it right with you. But if we try to talk about it, our history says we'll just argue. And I know you're gonna act a fool.
On the other hand, as soon as I trigger the second input, the motor rotates on the right side. It clearly states that we have successfully made a motor driver on the breadboard with such an ease. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, subscribe and share, and do press the notification bell icon to get the latest updates about my channel.